Hey guys, Dodge here, and I'm back with more tips on how you can improve your audio quality. When you're first starting out narrating, your ears may not be used to hearing what people who edit audio can hear. So, I made this video to help you to know what to listen for. Room noise, or background noise, can be tough to pick up on when you're just starting out. This is what my background noise sounds like. It can be a mixture of my computer fan, electrical noise from my monitors, phone, or mic. It can be my AC, or cars on the road outside. This is how it sounds when I remove the background noise from my audio. Noise in, noise out. I hope this helps you to be able to fine-tune your hearing for your next editing session. And don't forget to leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will be back soon with more tips on how you can improve your audio.